A load balancer distributes workloads across multiple targets, such as EC2 instances, containers, and IP addresses. Using a load balancer, we can increase the availability and fault tolerance of your application. So here are few key advantages we will discuss one by one. So first one is high availability. So basically high availability ensure that application remains available even in the face of server failures. Okay, so basically load balancer distribute traffic across multiple instances, and that is ensuring that applications remain available even in the face of server failure. This high availability design contributes to improved uptime and better user experiences. So that is the advantages of elastic load balancer. Second one is the scalability. Scalability, as AWS provide an elastic environment, cloud load balancers supports seamless scaling. As your applications demand increase or decrease, the load balancer adjusts traffic distribution to accommodate the varying number of instances. So basically it is scalable. So cloud load balancer is scalable. So as per your demand, it will increase or decrease the number of instances. Next one is global load balancing. So AWS offer load balancers that can distribute traffic across multiple AWS regions. Okay, catering to a global user base while maintaining low latency connections. So basically, it provides the facility to use a global load balancer without any interruption. Okay. Next one is layer 4 and layer 7 load balancing. So basically AWS cloud load balancers provide both like layer 4 and layer 7 load balancing. In layer 4 there is a TCP and UDP packets. Okay, and in layer 7 there are HTTP and HTTPS protocol uh, with support. Okay, so enabling precise traffic management and routing decision based on various factors. It support the layer 4 and layer 7 load balancing. Okay, so on layer 4 and layer 7 load balancing we will see more on further. Okay, so next one is integrated with AWS services. So next advantages is like integrated with AWS services. So AWS cloud load balancers seamlessly integrate with the various cloud services like auto scaling, allowing for dynamic instances scaling based on traffic patterns. So it integrate with the AWS services. Okay, so auto scaling, we have already discussed about it, auto scaling. So it is integrated with various AWS services. Okay, the next and final one is security and SSL termination. So basically AWS provides options for SSL termination, offloading an encryption task from backend instances to the load balancer, that enhancing traffic, in enhancing security and reducing traffic and server load. So it is also the add-ons advantages of load balancer like security and SSL termination. Okay, now we will see the elastic load balancing supports the following types of load balancer. Like there are multiple types, we are using that. So like application load balancers. So there are different purposes For different purposes, we are using a different load balancer. So we will see one by one. So within the AWS ecosystem, you will encounter distinct type of cloud load balancer related to specific requirements. So first one is application load balancer. So it operates at layer 7. Okay, making intelligent routing decision based on content based routing. Okay, that suited for modern application architecture. So nowadays there are multiple application which is running on cloud. So it is application load balancer. It support uh, on the content based applications. Okay, and it's intelligent routing decision. It is showing the intelligent routing decisions. So it's a HTTP. It support the HTTP and HTTPS protocol. Next one is network load balancer. So basically, its functions are layer 4. We all know that on layer 4, that distributing traffic based on IP and ports. Okay, so like TCP and SSL, it's support both protocols. So basically, ideal for handling high throughput and low latency requirement. So if distributing traffic based on IP and port, then we will use network load balancer. Next one is classic load balancer. This is the legacy options capable of both layer 4 and layer 7. Okay, load balancing is still available, but newer users are encouraged to explore application load balancer and network load balancer. Next one is like gateway load balancer. I have skipped that one, but I can cover this one, that gateway load balancer. It's operate at the third layer, okay, of the open OSI model. Okay, so it's basically support the IP packets, and these are the types of load balancing. That's all for today lecture. We will see next in further. Thank you for watching.